asked if I could do a little demo on how to trigger the PEARL Drum-X drum brain from the Beatstep-Pro. So it's really quite straightforward. All you need is cables to go from the drum gate outputs here to your pad trigger inputs down here. So I'm going to take number 1, plug that into output 1. This is using the actual cable that came with the Beatstep-Pro. I'm going to make number 1 trigger the bass drum. So I've got a converter, just converting from the mini jack to the 1/4" jack. And then I'm going to make number 2 go to the snare drum. I'm going to make number 3 go to tom 1. Number 4 go tom 2. And number 5, gonna go to tom 3. So outputs from the drum triggers going to the inputs on the back. Right, I'm going to flip that, turn that round, so you can see what happens when I'm pressing the pads the other way around. And obviously I need to plug some audio to the outputs, the mix out, to hear it. So here we go. So I'll flip this round now. So pad 1 will now trigger the bass drum. 2, snare, tom, tom, tom. And that's on kit 8. So let's try kit 1, bass drum, snare drum. Kit 3, kit 4, 5. And so forth. And then you've got sensitivity knobs on. Oh, hang on, I've done the wrong one. That sensitivity all down on the bass. Got the start. So that's going to essentially changing the velocity sensitivity. So that's how to do it.